Thanks for visiting our dashboard. In this short video, I'll explain how to use the WSSA Herbicide Group View. This view is designed to generate reports based primarily on selected herbicide groups. It differs from the weed species view because it shows all results associated with the group selected, rather than focusing on a single weed species. Let me walk you through an example to show how this view can be used. Let's say I want to understand the prevalence of multiple herbicide resistance to groups 2 and 5 in Western Ontario. As always, the first step is to start with a clean slate by clicking the Reset All Selections button. This is important if you performed other searches previously, since leftover filters can cause the results to behave unexpectedly. Next, I'll select a herbicide group or groups of interest. In this case, I'm interested in 2 groups. I can start with either one. It makes no difference. I'll begin by selecting Group 2. The single or multiple resistance slicer allows me to choose results that show only single resistance, only multiple resistance, or both. In this case, I'm interested in multiple resistance, so I select multiple. At this point, the single or multiple group selection slicer now shows only combinations that include Group 2 and involve multiple resistance. Since I'm specifically interested in combinations that include both Groups 2 and 5, I'll first click Deselect All, and then manually select the combinations that contain at least those 2 groups together. There are 7 such combinations. It's important to note that if I were to select only 2 and 5, the results would exclude samples where additional groups were also detected. That would severely underestimate the true prevalence of resistance to groups 2 and 5 occurring together. Next, I'll assume I'm only interested in results obtained through bioassays, so I apply that filter. Finally, I'll select the region I'm interested in, Western Ontario. At this point, I'm done applying filters, and I can begin exploring the data. I can see the results displayed on the map, which uses a color scale based on result density. I can hover over individual counties or municipalities to view detailed information, or I can click on a county to filter the results shown in the table on the right. Pro tip: if you hold the Control key and left-click, you can select multiple counties or municipalities at the same time. At the top of the page, you'll also see a summary of your current selections for reference. On the right side, there's a table summarizing results by species for the selected parameters. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out the other videos on this channel for step-by-step instructions on the other dashboard views.